welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are not, welcome back, honey. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, honey, and join the family, okay? So in this video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a lock count of my starter locks, you guys. I am so excited to know how many locks I actually have. It's crazy. So this is I'm at 4 months right now in January. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to counting. Okay, guys, so I have this section out for me to go ahead and start counting. And then I just have these others. And a ponytail. I do have some clips. They're not very big, but I have some clips that I can use to assist if I need them to. So, let's go. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. All right, y'all, we got 34 in this first section. Now, I didn't guess. Let's see. I'm going to guess that I have, I'm going to guess that I have 87. I'm gonna guess that I got 87 locks. All right, so we stopped at 34. So now we're gonna do this back section right here. So 34, starting off at 34. So 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Oh, wow. Y'all, we are at 68. Oh, I probably got more than 100 locks, boy. Ooh, 68. All right. Wow, that's crazy. Now we're gonna do this side, y'all. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna do this section right here. Starting off from 68, that was this side. All right, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So I obviously have way more than 87. 80, so 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. Oh, y'all, I was so wrong. Here's 87. We got this in the back left. So 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Oh my gosh. We're not even to the back section. Okay. Wow, way more than I thought. All right, so 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. Did I say 105, 106, 107, 108? Oh, Lord, y'all. I am exhausted. Okay, y'all, I had to go back and make sure that I was right. So I am at 108. So we got this last section left. Whoo, y'all. Honey, I don't know what I was thinking. Like, I was way off. I thought it was 87, and here we are about to do the last section, and we're already at 108. I got a big head though, but my lock size is smaller than others. It's not like sister locks. They're like a little bit bigger. Like, I would say they like small, medium size locks is what I would say. Anywho, let's finish the count. So we at 108. So we got 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134 locks, you guys. OMG. OMG. Oh my gosh. You guys. Honeys. I have 134 locks. I'm funny. Oh my gosh. Who would have thunk it? Oh, wow. That's amazing. So that's how I have such full and fluffy locks, y'all. I have 134 locks. That seems like a lot. Like, when I be watching other people's YouTube videos, they do not be having this many locks. I feel like, I don't know, but my locks are smaller compared to a lot of other people's locks. But I like that though, because I like the volume, and my head is big, and I already had a lot of hair to begin with. So, and they're not even fully locked yet, so they'll get bigger. But I like the, you know, the size of my locks. I hope y'all can see them. This is about the average size of my locks. I felt one big one back here. I got one like big, thick one. Hopefully y'all can see that. But yes, you guys. Oh my gosh. That was so exciting to do. I'm glad I went on ahead and did that with you guys. That was awesome. If you guys have any comments or anything, leave it down below. If you guys have any other lock videos you would like to see from me, please let me know. Again, we do lock videos on Wednesdays and vlogs on Saturdays at 8 a.m. I'm just loving I'm loving it, y'all. I'm loving this journey, and I'm glad that you guys are going on this journey with me. You guys just don't even know. Y'all don't even know, man. Like, this is amazing. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I love you guys so much. Seems like every day that I go on there, there's a new subscriber. So welcome, welcome, welcome. If you guys made it to the end of this video, go ahead and comment the emoji where the girl has her hand on her hair like this, because I'm shocked right now. Like, that's how I am right now. It's like, what? What? Oh man. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go, but I love you guys so much. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe, honey, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.